Let's talk about now the most important thing you need to run your online business. First thing, you need your self-hosted. I'm using very fast servers for more than 4 years now, and I want to give you this special discount for your hosting. To run your business, you need to get your hosting. This is must. If you already have one, no problem, but listen to me. Most hosting companies get you as subscriber for about $5. They say pay $4, $3, $5 a month. They get you like this to be their subscribers, and this is not the end. This is only the beginning. Then next year, maybe next few months, when you are active, I got some clients. They are active from the first month, and they starting the business from the first month. And when your website starts to work, they start to add new service or change their plans and ask you for more money. You will get emails from them that your website exceeded the bandwidth or exceeded the storage space is allowed for your plan, so you have to upgrade. And after the second year, you have to pay something starting from $50 to $227. I have a client that only has one website, and he already paid $127 a year for the host, and he started just for $3. He said when he started to pay just $3. Okay, but this is not a good, this is bad business, because when you start subscribe to this hosting, and when you decide to set up your blogs, and your blogs start to grow up, and you need stable hosting and stable price, you will be in trouble with this because you can't move your website. For this, I have created this 5 years one-time payment hosting. 5 years one-time payment hosting. This means you will pay now this fraction of the price of any other hosting companies, and you will never pay again for the coming 5 years. No monthly, no yearly fees for 5 years. I have created this 5 years one pay hosting, and not only that, we will take care of your hosting. You don't need to maintenance or secure your hosting. Our server is full secure, and we will not charge anything for that, and we will help you to fix any problem if something happen. This offer to host blog settlers blogs, it's 8 gigabytes, 1000 gigabytes bandwidth, 8 gigabytes disk space, and 6 domains available. So if you purchase the front end, and if you purchase the setup service with this hosting, this will be business in a box, complete 6 website, fully automated, and all you have to do is just follow the video tutorial inside the members area to automate posting from your blogs to social profiles to get free traffic, and I will add new traffic methods on regular basis. So we made this hosting for you. You can just buy once and get your site hosted for 5 years, and you can place your order today and forget paying for the next 5 years. This offer is limited time offer and will be expired soon, and when the early bird price time ending, the price will increase starting from $20 at least. Get your 5 years one pay hosting now, and see you in the other side.